التطوير في XCMG مستمر، وجزء من هذا التطوير هو تطوير مهارة الفنيين في XCMG حتى نقدر نوصل للعملاء بسرعة وبفعالية ونقلل التوقفات الموجودة عندهم، فبالتالي بنحاول نطور من مهارة وكفاءة فنيين ومهندسينا من خلال برامج تدريبية على أعلى مستوى. تعالوا معنا نشوفها. Last time we started with the basic training of the hydraulic system, everything, okay? Now we will start the series of the excavator XE210, XE220. Today we will talk about the machine, the equipment components, the details of these components, what is the function of these components. We will understand the functions, then we will have level 2 engine, level 3 electrical, then level 4 it will be the hydraulic system. We will start with the main hydraulic pump. Now, what is the function of the hydraulic pump? Why we need hydraulic pump? Hydraulic pump, it's used, the power components of the hydraulic system convert mechanical movement, mechanical energy into hydraulic energy in the shape of a flow. This is a section drawing for the pump from inside, which it can give us a details understanding about the pump. See, this is pump 1, this is pump 2, this is the pilot pump, okay? The blue color is the piston housing. Yellow color is the piston housing. Red color is the piston here, and here is the swash plate. And this is the regulator, and this is the spool. It's moving right and left. With this moving, it is connected to the swash blade. So it's controlling the angle of the swash blade. Thank you very much. We finish our first session today and see you inshallah in the next level. So you have any questions? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.